Okay, deep breath. He's picking me up in an hour, and I still look like I just rolled out of bed. Time to fix that. Nothing fancy tonight, just the essentials. Foundation, cream blush, a neutral palette, mascara, and a soft lip. That's literally all you need. First, a lightweight base. Dab it on, blend with a damp sponge. You want your skin to look like skin, not a mask. A little cream blush on the apples of your cheeks, blend upward. Just like I slept 8 hours and I'm not stressed. Soft eyes for date night. Light shade on the lid, slightly deeper in the crease. Then mascara, roots first so your eyes do the talking. For lips, keep it soft, nude pink or satin rose. Nothing that needs checking every 5 minutes. Highlighter on the cheekbones, a mist of setting spray. And suddenly, I don't feel nervous anymore. I feel ready. Soft glam, 5 minutes, zero stress. Now, if you'll excuse me, my date's waitin', and so is the city. Hope your evening is as gorgeous as this look. Stay tuned. Outtakes are coming right up.